Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy aDudemanbro Investments, and just bringing you another video here. I did not stop grinding, found new ways to make some money, and just trying to bring you some new videos in the 2024. So we're just going to jump right into this video here. I kind of want to bring to the community, and I actually did put a poll in the community tab if you guys want to check that out. Put what you guys think it is. Historically speaking, 75% of the time there is an election, the stock market rallies. And I just want to, know what your guys' opinion, and do you think it's going to rally? Do you think with inflation and everything, at least in the U.S., I know there's inflation everywhere else too, but do you think it's going to rally, or do you think with everything, world global crises and gonna not do so well, or is gonna underperform during the election? Let me know in the comments below. If you can go ahead and hit that like button, leave a comment. I want to say thank you so much for reaching out to me during my break. If you can call it a break, it was a long hiatus. Let me know what your favorite part about the new year was. What stocks are you guys looking into? And then, just leave some love in the comments below. I just wanted to bring some ideas into the new year. I have been doing other things, been into the crypto space a lot, and actually started a crypto mining business in 2021, and that's what took a lot of my time away. Plus I was working way too much, so that's why I couldn't bring any videos. Kind of did that, but I wanted to say that 2024, I think, is going to be good to a lot of us. There's a lot of opportunities to make some really good money. The first quarter, though, in my belief, and this is not financial advice, by the way, interest rates expected to go down. I think real estate, we're going to be looking at some really good gains with that. I think is a good stock to look into, especially if you're a little bit on the older side and needs some dividends. I think we might see a little bit of a rally there. Another one I want to bring to the table is Rocket Mortgage. My belief and what I think is going to happen in 2024 is we got a lot of people who bought houses with 7-8% mortgages. And Rocket Mortgage, I brought you a video. I'll probably put it in the comments or the description below that video too. But mostly they make a lot of money on refinancing. So you're going to have a lot of people in 2024 with lower interest rates trying to refinance. So I see a big increase, and it's trading at about $14 at the moment. I easily see this at 25 plus stock. That's my belief, and I think that's on my watch list, and I think it should be on your guys' watch list too. Another industry, and I mentioned it so many times on this channel, is pharmaceuticals. Big Pharm, there are so many out there that are really good ones. And actually too, it's kind of funny because 2020 is when I kind of got into YouTube and the channel blew up a little bit. But that was the last election. And I promise you, it's not going to be I post a bunch of videos for the election and then I'm gone for 2 years. I promise you that's not happening. But go check out some of those videos. There is some crypto stocks that I was looking at and that were making really good plays during that time. Yes, it was a different time. 2020 was different than anywhere else. One of the biggest industries that will be making some really good money during low interest rates, and people always are trying to get to the next big medicine or next big thing that comes out. So I feel like pharmaceutical companies are always good to put money into. We made some really good money with a couple here. TNB, I know was one we did pretty good with. There are so many to go over. If I can actually, let's just transition into this. Let's check this out for a second. Let's go down to 2020 or whatever. You have DPW that did really well during that time, but RKDA was one of the good ones. I'm trying to see what else. EVFM. So I would be checking out some of those stocks if you're looking at some good kind of penny-ish stocks. Mara and RIOT, I think they've already gained so much, and I meant to bring up a video, or meant to shoot a video a long time ago because I've been in some of these plays for a little while. Crypto, going crazy, and this is probably going to be a 2-part video. This is going to be on the stock side, but like I said, I am bigger into the crypto side too nowadays. My opinions are we're kind of heading toward an all digital world, especially with how AI has been moving forward. Basically are completely going away from, I mean, the dollar is losing its value by the day. It's very surprising that the US is still the standard, especially, like I said, how much printing we've been doing in the past. So those are just some ideas I had, but I want to know what your guys' opinion is. I want to know what stocks you are looking at. The second industry that I was looking into. Third, utilities, DTE, GE, those type of companies, look into, because I think that we are going to be having a spike in that, because that's something that unfortunately we can't go without. Gas, electricity, and all those type of plays. I really do think Tesla is still have a lot of room to move up too. I think that they are one of the big ones to watch out, especially since they bought Solar City, and they are doing a lot of renewable energy type of thing. I don't think we're there yet, really. I know Biden and everybody is pushing toward us to be completely renewable. I still think that we're a little way away from that. I think that is not really where we want to go right now, but I am very pumped for the future about that. I just wanted to kind of go about to get back into the groove. I want to try to do 3 to 4 videos a week, and also, like I said, I want to maybe start live streaming so I can get if any of you guys seen that little video that I was just playing video games a little while ago. It wasn't up very long because I was having kind of first time streaming, so having a little bit of technical difficulties with the delay was outrageous. Yeah, so I mean, those were just some ideas that I had. I think I covered basically a few things. I know it's not in depth, but I just wanted to get an idea out there. And also the next video, I want it to be more polished, and I want your guys' opinions. I want to see what you guys are looking at, and so I can go in and check out some of those stuff, because I mean, I'm just one person. I can tell you how I feel about a stock, but you should always go off of your own gut, your own instinct, and also do your own research. Please do not take everything that a YouTuber says for gold. I mean, we are wrong constantly. As much as I would say I have a bunch of good winners last bull market, last time, 2020 to 2021, but I had a few that were not so good, so you definitely want to check out and set your stop losses for sure. If you're not 100% sure if a stock is making you, or a crypto is making you stay up, you're losing sleep, it's not worth it. Life is way too short. You should not be worried about if you will lose all your money. And definitely that's where it also begins, where how much you should put into. Definitely I'm going to be coming out with a couple more videos. I'm kind of doing breakdowns of like how I'm trading nowadays, because this is, I feel like, a completely different market than 2020. And I think that we have to try to make money, as best as we can with different types of market. And I feel like that really just makes us better traders in general. Because if we do have the same market every single time, that's just, I mean, that'd be nice to always be up, always be making money, but that's not life. Life is all about unexpected things that come up, wars, which make lots and lots of people, richer type of thing. But we have to figure out and find out what any way we can make money in every type of market. And I'm just here with you guys. I want to build the community back up too, and I want to say thank you for everybody who has reached out to me. There are so many I can't even name. There's so many names out there. If you left me a comment the last year or two, thank you so much for reaching out. I am alive, and you pretty well, actually doing really well now. And so just wanted to bring you this video. I want to get your opinions and everything. Things are going to be changing, switching up a little bit. I'm going to be trying different things, and I'm very excited to see how we are going to start this new year. And anyway, I want you guys to check out all of the links in the description below. I'm going to be starting a Patreon again, but I'm going to be doing it a little bit different because last time it wasn't the best. I definitely know, and I apologize if you guys had any issues with that. But I do have some links in the description below for Coinbase, Robinhood, Webull. If you want to support the channel, if you want to click any of those links and you don't have any of those, if you wanted to create a crypto wallet, please, go ahead and check out those links. Yeah, so anyway, hope you're having a fantastic day. Stay humble, stay hungry, just keep going. Remember that you learn a lot more from your losses than your gains, and let's keep on making this money. Let's make money as a community, and let's get it, okay? But anyway, you guys have a good one. Bye.